The Toyota Camry sedan has become more expressive in appearance and has a more modern interior. The model is offered exclusively in hybrid versions. The new Toyota Camry debuted in the United States. The next generation of the popular D-Class sedan will be shown at the Los Angeles Auto Show, and it will go on sale in 2024. Toyota Camry 2024 design. The new Toyota Camry retains the TNGA platform and the familiar silhouette with a curved roof and sculpted sidewalls. At the same time, the front part is made in the style of the new Prius, with a pronounced nose and thin headlights. At the rear, C-shaped lights attract attention. Different versions of the model differ not only in wheel rims, but also in the design of the radiator grille. The 2024 Toyota Camry debuted exclusively in a hybrid version with a 2.5-liter gasoline 4 and a pair of electric motors. Total output increased to 228 HP, with, in the front-wheel drive version, and 235 HP, with, in all-wheel drive. It is possible that in some countries 2.5-liter gasoline versions of the model may remain, but the 3.5-liter V6 for the Toyota Camry 2024 will definitely not be offered. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Interior and equipment of Toyota Camry 2024. The interior retained the usual layout, but the Toyota Camry sedan received a virtual instrument panel and a large, up to 12.3 inches diagonally, touchscreen. The multimedia system was supplemented with voice control, and a projection onto the windshield was offered for an additional fee. The basic 2024 Toyota Camry includes keyless entry, dual-zone climate control, wireless charging for smartphones, as well as adaptive cruise control, automatic braking and lane-keeping systems. The top-end XLE variant received a leather interior, electric and heated seats, all-round cameras, a semi-autonomous driving system, and powerful JBL acoustics. Among the options, access to the salon from a smartphone has appeared. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. 2024 Camry starting $27,000. This car is liked and loved by many people in the world. It has a very beautiful appearance. Thank you for watching my video.